Welcome back to another powerful Excel tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into pivot tables and pivot charts, two of the most essential tools for data analysis in Excel. Do you have large datasets and struggle to analyze them quickly? Pivot tables let you summarize, filter, and visualize data with just a few clicks. And with pivot charts, you can bring your reports to life. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a pivot table in seconds, summarize data like a pro, add filters, slicers, and groupings, build pivot charts for visual insights. Let's get started. A pivot table is an interactive way to quickly summarize large amounts of data. Instead of manually sorting and filtering rows, you can organize your data dynamically in a few clicks. Example data. Imagine this in an Excel sheet. Order ID. Region. Salesperson. Date. Sales amount. 1001. North. John. January 1st, 2024. $5,000. 1002. South. Jane. January 3rd, 2024. $3,000. 1003. East. Emily. January 5th, 2024. $7,000. 1004. West. Michael. January 7th, 2024. $1,000. 1005. North. Sarah. January 9th, 2024. $8,000. Question: what if you want to know total sales per region? Instead of manually calculating, use a pivot table. Let's create a pivot table in just a few steps. Select your data, click anywhere inside your dataset. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pivot Table. Choose where to place it, select New Worksheet and click OK. Build your pivot table. Drag region to the rows area. Drag sales amount to the values area. Excel automatically calculates total sales per region. Now, let's make our pivot table even better. Sorting. Click on any value inside the sales amount column. Right-click Sort, choose largest to smallest to see top-performing regions. Filtering. Click the drop-down on region inside the pivot table. Select only North and East, click OK. Now, you're viewing only the sales data for North and East regions. Let's make this data even more powerful with a pivot chart. Click anywhere inside the pivot table. Go to Insert, select Pivot Chart, choose Column Chart. Click OK, and the chart appears instantly. Tip: right-click the chart and select Change Chart Type to experiment with different styles like pie or line charts. Want to make your pivot table dynamic? Use slicers. Click inside your pivot table. Go to Insert, click Slicer. Choose Region and click OK. Now, click on a region inside the slicer to filter the data dynamically. You've just made your pivot table interactive. And that's how you use pivot tables and pivot charts to analyze data like a pro. You learned how to create a pivot table in seconds. You mastered sorting, filtering, and grouping. You built interactive pivot charts. You added slicers for quick filtering. Want more Excel tips? Subscribe and check out our next lesson on advanced functions like index, match, and lookup. Next video, Part 3. Power Query for data transformation.